going to do something different today. I'm going to show you how to cook a really easy camp recipe for breakfast. I actually make it brunch because it's a big heavy meal. It's called a Mexican breakfast. And all we have to do is fry up some fajitas. So you need a little oil in the pan. It doesn't have to be a lot. Then buy yourself some of these 6-inch fajitas. They're all soft and nice like a bread, but we're going to fry them crispy and crunchy like a giant potato chip. And you don't even need to deep fry it. There are fajitas starting to blister a little. Just want you to know, don't be surprised if the whole thing puffs up. That's happened, but I'm going to flip it over when the other side's crunchy, and those air pockets will go away. When you see it getting brown around the sides, it's probably ready for a flip. There's some of those bubbles. Doesn't that look nice? It's going to be crunchy and yum-o. Your next step after you've browned up your fajitas is to open a can of refried beans. And what we're going to do is spread a generous amount on one of them. I don't take it right to the edge because I found it really looks delicious when you show everybody all the different layers you're going to have on this breakfast. So I'm going to leave some of the crispy fajita around the edge. Then I'm going to have this refried beans, and we're going to have another topping. Stay tuned. Next step, some salsa. Whatever brand you like. I'm using hot. We like it hot. You can use mild. That won't make a difference. And again, I will spread just enough in the middle to leave all our refried beans showing, just for color. That is plenty when it's hot. Next, we're going to fry our egg. 1 egg does the trick. If you're feeling a bit hungry, put in 2 eggs or more. There's really no rule for it. You can cook your egg hard or soft. It's not going to make a difference to this recipe. It's all about your personal preference. We'll drop that in the middle. Now for the cheese. We sprinkle a little bit of cheese on the top of this. Quickly pop it in a hot oven to melt the cheese. Put on some more toppings, and you're going to have a wonderful breakfast. Okay, so now we will melt our cheese in the oven and then take this out, garnish it, and eat. Use a hot oven like 4 1/4 or on this gas camp oven 250, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Okay, the cheese is all melted, so I've taken it out of the oven. I'm going to plate one up, show you how to decorate it, and then bon appetit. Okay, I have cut an avocado in half, took out the stones, scooped it out with a spoon, and I've thinly sliced it. First we'll start with the avocado, and what we're going to do is fan it from the middle. It's not too fancy, but it's just trying to give it a little bit of, make it a little fancy. And now, it's just coincidental that this has all the colors of Christmas on it. We're going to put a dollop of sour cream in the middle. Sprinkle on. That's going to cool down the heat from these beautiful red chilies. And if you don't want any heat, by all means, cut up a red capsicum or bell pepper. This is your beautiful Mexican breakfast. Good enough to take a photo of tastes delicious and will really fill you up. I hope you enjoyed this quick little recipe. You don't even need to write it down. It's so easy to make, and it's also made in minutes. Enjoy.